A little bit of gloomy sun over there. I think it was 40 k's out of Port Nolloth. GloomySun.com. Still quite cool. Like a day for riding, no wind, or no wind to speak of. Overtaking. And I lost one of my locks. That long necked one I use for the top back cage. Only cages at the back. Holgat rivier. Hier gaan ons 4x4 mense. Holgat. Het geen water. Holes. So I think it's a hectic 4x4 area here. Richtersveld. Anyway, I think I kind of just hung it off the cage when I was loosening it somewhere, and I never fastened it to where I normally fasten it. So when I was riding yesterday, it must have bounced off. And I also lost my Joseph and Jesus little well, not lost, but that wasn't a vibration error, there's a parking error. When I was at Roshpina, I was parked the bike under a tree and then side stand out, leaning it over, and dear Joseph and Jesus donked onto a branch and snapped off. Well, so my glue held, but it tore a bit of Aslan's mane off. So that's what cracked, is the clay. So a little bit of a glue job coming up. Later.